Folks, hold on to your hats. India just did something massive. They've given the green light to their new fighter jet, the AMCA. That stands for Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. This isn't just some minor upgrade, it's a monumental leap for the Indian Air Force. The AMCA is a fifth-generation stealth fighter. Stealth! That's the top tier of skyfaring war machines. Not many countries have these technological marvels. India is strutting onto the global stage and saying, "Look at us now, world." This jet is a statement. And get this whole project is a massive gold star for Make in India. Build it here, build it with pride, build it Indian. It means more jobs for talented Indian engineers and more self-reliance. The AMCA is far more than just metal and engines, it's a symbol. So let's buckle up and take a closer look under the hood of this magnificent beast. First up, stealth. This jet is designed to be a ghost. It uses special shapes and radar-absorbent materials to be practically invisible to enemy radar. Then there's Super Cruise flying faster than the speed of sound without afterburners. This saves fuel and helps it stay stealthier. Inside the cockpit, incredibly advanced avionics and AI-powered systems. The pilot gets all the critical information they need, making them a super pilot. And the weapons? Tucked away inside the aircraft for stealth. The AMCA is all about net-centric warfare, sharing data seamlessly with other friendly forces. So, why is India investing in this technological marvel now? Just take a quick peek at the global neighborhood. You've got Pakistan next door, and their relationship with India has been frosty. And then there's China, with its rapidly modernizing military and its own stealth fighter, the J-20 Mighty Dragon. China is flexing its muscles on the world stage. The AMCA is India's way of sending a clear message. We see you, we're watching, and we're prepared. It's about maintaining a credible defense posture and deterrence. Deterrence means convincingly persuading others not to start trouble. This isn't about India looking to pick a fight, it's about preventing one. It's about ensuring stability in a strategically vital region. India has a massive population and a rapidly growing economy to protect. The AMCA project signals India's commitment to being strong, independent, and self-reliant, a nation that can look after itself and its interests. And that, my friends, is a powerful statement indeed. The Jet Set Deathmatch, AMCA versus the world. How does the AMCA stack up against the current titans of air power? First, from the USA, we have the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. These American jets are the gold standard. Then, from Russia, there's the Sukhoi Su-57, codenamed Felon by NATO. It's got impressive aerodynamic moves, but questions about its stealth. And from China, the J-20 Mighty Dragon, a serious contender. So, where does India's AMCA fit in? It's aiming to be a true fifth-generation fighter. It's learning from these existing jets and adding its own unique Indian spice. It's about smart design, tailored capabilities, not just building a carbon copy. India's secret sauce. What makes AMCA a winner? Can the AMCA truly shine in this competitive field? Absolutely. First, cost effectiveness. Building it at home makes it more affordable. Next, AI. India's tech wizards are loading the AMCA with cutting-edge AI systems. This gives Indian pilots an incredible advantage in the cockpit. And here's another massive plus strategic autonomy. By designing and manufacturing its own fighter jet, India isn't dependent on other countries. They control their own technological destiny. The AMCA is about India forging its own path in aerospace and defense. It's about playing to its unique strengths and building a future where it stands tall and self-reliant. Go India, get that bird flying high.